Here's the machine. I just picked it up from having its basting stitch pin released. That's it right here. This is the basting stitch. If you move this over to here, you get a basting stitch. And it's all ready to sew. I have the accessory removed. This is a free arm, and I'll put the table on. And it comes with the instruction book. I'm going to try a one-hand sew here. Beautiful, nice quiet machine. You can see beautiful stitch that it makes and how quiet it runs. It is complete, everything works. Oh, and this is on slippery fabric, and you can see how perfect it stitched and didn't pucker. Everything is perfectly straight. This foot pedal does not retract. It's not the type that retracts. You can see that inside the things that come with the machine. It has a picture of the foot pedal, and it is not the retractable kind. You can see right there. And this is the light. That's in the back of the machine. Right there. Turns the light off and on. The lights are on. There's two lights in here. All of these functions work properly. This drops the feed dog over here for repair. This is for buttonholes. This is reverse. And these are all the decorative stitches that it does. Let me make a decorative stitch. I have to set it up. I have this set for a decorative stitch. This is how you set the decorative stitches. You just move this over. I wanted to do 20. And this right here tells you how to set your machine. So it would take foot 1, which I have, but I have 0 up now, so I have to change that. And then use these settings, the 4, the 2, and needle position. So here's the 4 and the 2, and then it says to use the red. This means right here, here. So you move this over to the red section, and this is what you get. It's very, very cute. Very nice. Did a very good job. And again, I'm using like a taffeta fabric here. All the feet that it comes with, and its original little needle changer, I believe this is. Yeah, goes right there. Yep. And the embroidery foot, the buttonhole. I put the oil. This is original oil. I may, if I were you, might change that out. And here's the seam guide, which I can't figure out how to put back in there. And all of its feet. And I have a package of extra bobbins I'm going to be included. This is the knee lever in position, just slips inside there. It's simple. Goes in there, and then it lifts the lever up and down. Very convenient. This is the Bernina carrying case. Has the original cardboard that came with it, and this is the extension table. Very easy to put in. Just goes over here, and then it connects with that post right there. It is in place, the extension table. I really like sewing with these tables. Yep, very nice. This is about a 1/4 inch or less long. I wasn't able to get it out with just water, and I don't want to put any cleaning solvents on this finish. And as far as scratch goes, whoop, let's see if we can focus. I see nothing. Nothing at all. It looks like Randy made a little red something with a pen here. I'll see if I can get that out. And there might be a little tiny scratch right there on that corner. And you see little, maybe some little dots. This is bobbin winder. You just put your bobbin in. You have to go from this corner over here and over. What's missing in here, according to this picture, is a seam ripper and a lint brush. And I have a screwdriver here that I put in. Although it's not the original, it is a screwdriver and it fits in here. And it works with this machine. Okay, here's the power cord. And it belongs inside this little slot. And to get it in there, you just push this button right here. And it pulls it right in. Power cord's in place. The extended sewing table, the instruction booklet, and the foot pedal will be sent inside the case, the carrying case. The extended table is inside a foam envelope, which will go inside the carrying case. In the fold-out section of the carrier, I have the original cardboard that came with the machine in 1991, I think. And this is the table, the extended sewing table, and the instruction book. This is the Bernina carrying case. Inside here is the foot pedal, the knee lifter, and the accessory pack right there. There's 3 things in here and more in the drop down side of the carrying case. This is the carrying case. I put it in a plastic bag so that I could tape this on the bottom to make so that the things inside this don't fall out. Give it a more secure bottom. The machine has been put into a clean white plastic bag with a piece of styrofoam to protect the spool holders. And next I'm going to put it in a well-padded shipping box.